days I don't talk till maybe 8 o'clock at night. Keeps me whole, keeps me holy, it keeps me well in the mountains even when I'm on the road. Keeps me coming up through air, keeps me airing that sun come, keeps me cool. Every place I go is one less place I could call home. And every girl I kiss, well, I just cross her off my list. I don't go far, I just go crazy. I buried all of my old clothes in some field in West Des Moines. And if you judge me tonight, judge me by the songs I write. That's who I am to you. There's a black tornado, a black tornado spinning around in my body sometimes. Black tornado, black tornado spinning around in my body sometimes. Let's hear it for the harmonica. That's an instrument. You sound great on the harmonica. It's underrated as a lead instrument. You know, if taking some of these solos, if I was like another guy with a guitar or something and did the same thing, or even another guy with a harmonica on a microphone, you get like big applause for like, ooh, cool lead, nice lead. Harmonica is just like, okay, good, you're done with that. Changing faster than I can describe. All I really know to do is grab the wheel and drive. I look for love, some adventure, and I try not to let my own breathing scare me off the road. There's a tombstone of my father I visit sometimes. All yours, Manly. It's a black tornado spinning around in my body. Now from the guts, black tornado, yeah. Around in my body sometimes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.